Howdy everybody. I made this gooey, chocolatey s'mores dessert pizza on the Gozney Arc XL. Let me show you how I did it. I'm using my standard pizza dough recipe, link in the description below. Just drop it into a bowl of semolina flour, and we're going to press it out to 14 inches. Hey, if you have a favorite dessert pizza, leave it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what it is. And go ahead and place this on our pizza peel. And I'm going to be blind baking this pizza crust. To do that, I'm going to use this 12-inch pizza pan. If you don't have an extra pizza pan, you can use a metal pie pan. Just go ahead and spray that with some cooking spray, and then that'll go right on top. Now we'll launch this into our 650-degree pizza oven. After about 30 seconds, we'll give it a quarter turn. Now we'll just give this a quarter turn about every 20 to 30 seconds till it's nice and golden brown all the way around. That looks good. Let's go ahead and take it out of the oven. To make this s'mores pizza, I'll be using these Reese's mini peanut butter cups. If you can't find these, you can chop up some regular peanut butter cups, use some chocolate chips, or get creative with your favorite candy bar. And once these are evenly spread out, we'll go on with our marshmallows. Now this looks good. Now back in the oven with the flame on low. This will only take about a minute, so don't take your eyes off or you'll have flaming marshmallows. Perfectly toasted. This looks good. Now the last step is the graham crackers. Just go ahead and break those up over the top. Use as much as you want. There's our s'mores pizza. Let's have a taste. Chocolatey, peanut buttery, gooey deliciousness. That's really good. Well, for your next outdoor pizza party, make that pepperoni pizza, make that cheese and sausage pizza, but don't forget the dessert pizza. I guarantee it'll be a showstopper. Well, that's how I make s'mores dessert pizza. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and once again, thanks for watching.